Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen, and if you are new here, I make videos about motherhood and lifestyle, and if that is your thing, definitely hit the subscribe button, join the fam. And today we are doing, I'm very excited, a Larlarlee Los Angeles makeup haul. So she is, if you don't know Larlarlee, she is a famous YouTuber. She does beauty, lifestyle, and full disclosure, love her. I love her channel. And yeah, I have a Larlarlee Los Angeles makeup bag that I got with the haul. And I wanted to do like a little haul review type video. So I'm pumped about this haul and I'm excited about this video. So yeah. All right guys, well let's get into it. Alright guys, so I'm very excited about this video and I've been wanting to film it for a few months now, and I actually got this makeup haul in around February. I've been wanting to order makeup from Larlarlee Los Angeles's, or Larlarlee's makeup brand called Larlarlee Los Angeles. And I have just been waiting and waiting. I kind of just been like picking out what I wanted, and then she came out with a like Valentine's Day sale. That's why this is like, I've been holding on to this makeup for a while and I've been wanting to make this video, so I got it in this bundle, Valentine's Day bundle. It was $49 for the for a ton of stuff. So I wanted to show you everything. And so when I saw the deal, I was like, that's such a good deal, I have to get it. And I was like, click. And yeah, and actually the shipping was super fast and the packaging was so cute. Everything was wrapped beautifully with like pink tissue paper or black tissue paper with her little LLLA stickers on there, and it just was like very well done. So awesome to that. And I actually kept everything in the packaging because I was waiting to show you guys, and then Mac got into everything and started pulling stuff apart. And another full disclosure, this is just a bunch of full disclosures. But I couldn't wait any longer to use the lip product, so I was using those the past few months. But I did wait to use the blush in the eye palette and until I filmed my video last week doing this. But I don't know if this has happened to anybody else, but when I uploaded the video to edit it, it was so bad. I was like, I have to just redo this. And I was just about to go do my makeup. We just got back from vacation, or from like a vacation getaway kind of thing yesterday. And I was like, I need to put makeup on. And yeah, so I thought I would film it for you guys. So let's go. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but I got new glasses. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think. I've been wanting to get the transparent frames for a while. I tried a bunch of them on at Lens Crafters. That's where I got these. And these are Burberry, and I tried a bunch on and in a bunch of different brands. I've always been like a loyal Ray-Ban girl, but when I tried these on, I was like, oh. And I didn't go full transparent. I went with just like the gray transparent. So I wasn't ready to make the full move to just like the clear frames, but I feel like these are good go in between. And yeah, I like them. Different style, different shape. For me, I've been wearing the same like shape frame for a long time, and I've always worn just like the black. So yeah, I'm excited. I like them. I feel like they're cool. Alright guys, so I thought I would start to go through the products that I got. So this is the makeup bag that came with the bundle. It is like a blush color, it has a rose gold zipper on it, and it fits a ton of makeup. I just actually used it for like a makeup travel case for when we just went on vacation, and it was amazing. And it's like a nylon material so you can clean it. This is the blush palette. So it's a little bit smudgy on the front because I was playing with it, but obviously when it came it was beautiful, and not that way. But beautiful packaging. The inside has really big pans for the shades, and the shade range is beautiful, and I'm really excited to try all of these different colors. As you can see, I've tried the Chateau Rose and Tiger Lily. You can see a little bit of the smudging around the packaging, but those are kind of like the main shades that I've been trying so far. But yeah, I'm excited to try the others as well. So here is Nudie number 2. This is Nudie Patooties, I guess, like sister palette. So if you follow Larlarlee, you know that her Nudie Patootie was very popular. This is the sequel, you could say, and there is a lot of smudging on the packaging from me. It did not come that way. I just want to make that clear. So I was playing with the shadows when I was trying to film this last week, but I love too that all the packaging, or all the blush palette and the eyeshadow palette both have really nice mirrors as well. These were the lip products that came in the bundle. So these are 3 liquid lipsticks. These are all a very similar nude shade, but they tend to look very different on the lip. This is my all-time favorite lip gloss now. It's called it's the E-Bug lip gloss, and it is amazing. The formula of this is so nice, and it dries down very much sort of like as it kind of wears off eventually, almost like a lip balm. And I love all the details on the packaging, the ombre cap top, the LL on the top. So I thought what I would do is just go through and put on the makeup. So this is me kind of going through and doing kind of my 5-minute makeup routine, my everyday makeup routine. So yeah, hope you enjoy. First off, I just want to say that everything is such good quality, and this is not because I love Larlarlee. This is for real, guys. So, the blush palette is the pans with the different blush range. There's like such a range, and I'm really excited to try all the different shades, because I'm very much like, I usually just wear the same blush. If you've seen my other makeup videos I've done, I usually wear very much the same blush, same shade. So I'm excited to experiment, and they're big and they're such good quality, and they're very pigmented, and they're not like, they're pigmented, but you can also build it up. So it's not just like you put it on, you're like, oh my God, what do I do if you put like a little bit too much on? It's very nice. It's just like the perfect level of pigmentation, I guess I would say. Same with the eyeshadow palette. Such beautiful colors, perfect for spring and summer if you're looking for that like kind of golden look, or also just like a blushy neutral tone look. Love it. And the lip products I love, and I am like very picky with my lip products. The shades they're similar, but they are very different. They're just all very like a nude lip, but the one I have on is called Blushing, and I love this color. And I usually put a little bit of the lip gloss, the E-Bug lip gloss, which I love, which Larlarlee did a collab last year with her niece. That was part of that collab. And so when I got this bundle, that is not part of the bundle, but I needed to buy it. And I'm actually going to buy a new one because if you've seen, I use it so much and it is almost out. It's such a cool consistency. It's just like such a good formula. It doesn't leave your lips sticky, and when it kind of starts to fade away, it almost kind of converts into this like lip balm texture. I don't know how to explain it, but it's so good. And I just love lip gloss in the summer too. And so yeah, so this is like my 5-minute makeup look. I just start with a little bit of the primer. I've been using the Milk primer, which is amazing. If you've been thinking about buying it, definitely get it, I would say, or try it out. I bought the mini version, which was $18 instead of going for the full bottle, just to make sure that, or like the full size, just to make sure that it worked for me. But yeah, it is amazing. And then I've been using that NARS foundation, which I've been loving, the light reflecting foundation. So yeah, and then I just did some blush, a little bit of eyeshadow, kind of like just like a very neutral or just like light eyeshadow look, mascara, lip product, done. So yeah, so that's basically, this is like my everyday makeup I usually go with. This is like my everyday makeup that I usually go with. But yeah, leave me a message in the comments down below. What are your go-to makeup products? What's your go-to just like everyday makeup look? And yeah, well, thank you so much for watching, and I will link all the products in the description box down below. And yeah, if you have not checked out Larlarlee, I would definitely check out her channel. She has 2 different channels. She has her main channel and a vlog channel. She has her main channel and a vlog channel. She used to be very much about doing just beauty videos, or just like mostly beauty videos, and now she's she's definitely like pivoted and transitioned to more lifestyle videos, which I love, and I love both of them. I just like love all her content. So she has the best recommendations for Amazon products and just stuff like that. So definitely check her out if you have not checked her out yet. And her makeup brand is sickening. So if you are interested in picking up some makeup, I would definitely check her out too. And I also just want to say that none of this is sponsored. This is just me fangirling about Larlarlee and Larlarlee Los Angeles makeup. All right, guys. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. All right, guys. Bye.